This is the Schrade SCH-401 LALC liner lock folding knife, one of 4 models in the SCH-401L series. With a color shift aluminum handle that changes colors depending on the viewing angle, the SCH-401 LALC is a member of the larger size folders related to the SCH-401 series. An overall length of 7.8 inches and weight of only 4 ounces makes this knife a perfect everyday carry item that looks as sharp as it cuts. With an 8CR13 Movi high carbon stainless steel 3.2-inch drop point fine edge blade, the knife provides plenty of cutting power. The blade is black coated to provide more resistance to rust and other corrosive wear. Ambidextrous thumb knobs let you easily open the knife with either hand, with a steel liner lock sliding into place to give you peace of mind, knowing that the blade will stay safely in place during cutting. Jimping on the liner lock partners with sweeping underside contours and a textured surface for a good grip. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCH-401 LALC close at hand. To close, nudge the liner lock to the side and rotate the blade back into the protective color shift aluminum handle. The handy steel pocket clip secures the knife to pocket or gear. A large EDC folder with our unique iridescent color shift handle, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-401 LALC liner lock folding knife.
The 0393 GLCF, a Rick Hinderer design. The 0393 GLCF measures 8.25 inches in length and weighs 5 ounces. It operates on KVT ball bearings with a flipper tab. The 0393 GLCF features titanium handle scales with a working finish, black glow-in-the-dark carbon fiber overlays, and black oxide steel tube spacers. The blade is 3.5 inches and made of ultra-premium CPM 20 CV steel with a working finish. The pocket clip is a reversible tip-up carry. To keep the blade securely open, it utilizes a titanium frame lock with hardened steel lock bar insert. The stop pin doubles as a thumb stud and can be utilized to open the knife. The handle overlays are interwoven with glow-in-the-dark fibers that create a luminous effect in dark environments.
Today I'd like to talk about our Grik. It's a great everyday carry knife at a really reasonable price. It's got a hollow thumb ramp opener, so it's pretty easy to open. A spear point blade, and the blade's made out of Japanese AUSAA steel that's cryo-quenched. It's not a Chinese steel, it actually comes from Japan. It's got this finger cut out in it so that you can really direct the edge in tight spaces or when you want to do some real fine cutting. And that's a big advantage, or you can put your thumb in there as well. It's got a glass reinforced nylon handle that's got a stippled finish on the clip and up here at the bolster, and it's designed so all 4 fingers fit on that handle. For such a small, lightweight knife, it only weighs 3 ounces. So for a small lightweight knife, you get all 4 fingers in there, and when you add that pinky finger, you increase your grip strength by about 15 to 20%. So that's really important on this knife. You can get all 4 fingers on it. Also, you can carve. If you were going to carve or whittle something, you can do that right here. You can get the edge very close to what you're working on for maximum leverage. And that's another thing I really like about this knife, is the edge comes right down to almost where your index finger is. So if I'm going to be shaving something or carving something or whittling something, I can get the edge really close and get maximum leverage to cut with. So we've studied the fact that if you can't get a good purchase with your pinky finger, you lose about 15 to 20% of your gripping power. This is an enormously important finger in your grip. And so when you can get that on a knife, you've added a lot to your grip strength. The other big advantage of the Grik is that trial locking mechanism.
The XCOM, model 3425, a Les George design. The XCOM measures 8 inches in overall length and weighs 4.2 ounces. It opens manually with a thumb disc and features glass-filled nylon handle scales with a lanyard hole. The backspacer is also glass-filled nylon. The blade is made of 8CR13 MOV steel with a black oxide coating. It has a reversible deep carry pocket clip. To keep the blade securely open, it utilizes an inset liner lock. The XCOM design was inspired by the classic M3 trench knife, which was utilized by US soldiers from World War II through the Vietnam War.
The Model 722 Spitfire is a slim, versatile, easy to carry, smooth, one-hand opening, wickedly sharp knife. The stylish aluminum handles come together to make one sleek, everyday carry tool. The sturdy lockback design ensures safe use and is easily deployed with the thumb hole. The 3 1/4 inch drop point blade is 120 thousandths of an inch thick, 420HC stainless steel, straight edge or serrated, anodized aluminum handles, versatile pocket clip, 3.2 ounces, easy to carry, easy to deploy.
This is the 980 turret. The turret is a tactical knife, so it's going to appeal to law enforcement officers, military, anyone that has tactical needs. This is our first use of this OD green color, which is a very unique color. It also has a nice contoured handle, which is very comfortable. What we want is strength. So in order to get the strength, we make a thicker liner. It's a full liner, it's a thicker liner, and then as you can see, it's also a nice thick and tall blade. It's within the top 3 strongest knives. It sits right next to the Presidio and the Adamas. Because of the thick liners and thick blade, you get a larger profile.